so the first thing that we're gonna do is put all of our ingredients together. So we're gonna get 1 cup of half and half. I'm gonna put it all in this little container. You're gonna do a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then 2 tablespoons of sugar, but I'm just gonna use 4 little packets of sugar. All right, and then you're gonna put it into your little bag. Make sure to get all of it in there.
A few moments later.
Okay, so this is a different way to make the ice cream, so with less ingredients. So we have the 2 coffee creamers. There's a peppermint mocha and there's cinnamon toast crunch. Then we're gonna grab our 4 packets of sugar, or 2 tablespoons. And we're just gonna stir this up a little bit. Then you're gonna grab your bag and pour it in. Make sure we get all of that in the bag. And then just seal it up and let your mixture.
All right, next we're gonna put 1/3 cup of salt. So you're gonna measure out 1/3. You're gonna put it into your ice. And this helps the ice get really, really cold so that it can melt the ice cream faster. But if you don't have any salt, then that's okay. The ice will just do on its own. And then you're going to put your bag of cream into the bag of ice. You're going to shake it up.
One frozen wasteland later.
So we've been shaking our ice for about 10 minutes. So hopefully it should be an ice cream consistency. This one feels pretty good. And pour it in your bowl. Wow. It looks like ice cream. See how it tastes. It's really good. I like it.
One eternity later.
So there you have it. That's how you make ice cream in 10 or 15 minutes. Feel free to like, comment, and make this recipe. And I hope you guys have fun.